Have you ever thought about starting your own online bookkeeping business? Well, the first step is to establish your company. This involves creating a legal entity, either an LLC or a corporation. Now you might be wondering, what's the difference? An LLC, or limited liability company, is a business structure that combines the pass-through taxation of a partnership or sole proprietorship with the limited liability of a corporation. This means you're not personally responsible for the company's debts or liabilities. Plus, any profits or losses pass through to your personal income without facing corporate taxes. Pretty neat, right? On the other hand, a corporation is an independent legal entity owned by shareholders. This means that the corporation itself, not the shareholders, is held legally liable for the actions and debts the business incurs. Corporations are more complex than other business structures, but they have the strongest protection to its owners from personal liability. Once you've decided on your business structure, the next step is to apply for an EIN number, or Employer Identification Number. This is basically your business's social security number. It's used by the IRS to identify taxpayers that are required to file various business tax returns. You can apply for an EIN online, by fax, or by mail. But online is the quickest and easiest way to go. But why do you need an EIN? Well, it's necessary for filing your business taxes, opening a business bank account, and applying for business licenses and permits. It's a key part of legitimizing your business and making sure everything is above board. And that's how you can establish your business legally. Now let's talk about operating under different names. Did you know you can operate under several different names in your online bookkeeping business? This is where a doing business as, or DBA, statement comes into play. The DBA is a legal declaration that you're conducting business under a name different from your legal name. It's particularly useful for branding purposes, allowing you to operate under a catchy, relatable, or industry-specific name. Filing a DBA isn't a complex process. Typically, you'd file with your county or clerk's office, and most can usually file online, but the exact procedure can vary, so it's worth checking your local regulations. Some places might require you to publish a notice in a local newspaper, while others may simply ask for a small filing fee. The benefits of a DBA are twofold. Firstly, it provides legal protection, ensuring no one else can operate under your chosen name. Secondly, it enhances your business's professional image. With your DBA filed, you're ready to move on to the next step, securing professional liability insurance. Why would a bookkeeping business need professional liability insurance? Let's explore. This type of coverage is also known as errors and omissions insurance, and it's crucial for any business dealing with financial transactions and records. You see, even the most meticulous bookkeeper can make mistakes. And when those mistakes involve someone else's finances, the consequences can get pretty steep. That's where professional liability insurance comes in. It protects your business if a client claims that a mistake or an omission in your work has caused them financial harm. The amount of coverage you need depends largely on your client list. For instance, if you're handling the books for a large corporation, you'll need more coverage than if you're working with small local businesses. So it's essential to evaluate your potential risk and get covered accordingly. With insurance covered, it's time to set up your online presence. In the digital age, a strong online presence is key. Let's talk about creating your business website. A professional website is like your digital storefront. It's where potential clients can learn about your services, get a sense of your expertise, and reach out for more information. It's one of the first things a prospective client will look for, so it needs to be top-notch. But don't worry if you're not a web designer. There are plenty of pre-designed templates you can purchase from various platforms. These templates are designed to be user-friendly and easy to customize, even for those without any coding experience. A bit of time and creativity can go a long way in creating a site that truly reflects your brand. Now let's talk about the tools of the trade. As a virtual bookkeeper, your computer is going to be your best friend. You'll want a machine that's reliable and capable of handling all the software you'll be using. Along with a good computer, a steady internet connection is a must. This will ensure that you're able to communicate with clients and access their accounts without interruptions. Other necessary supplies include a scanner and printer. These will come in handy for managing physical documents. And for those virtual client meetings, a reputable webcam and headset are also essential. You want to ensure that you can communicate clearly and professionally. Speaking of client meetings, you'll need a platform to host them. Meeting software like Zoom or Teams are commonly used and offer features like screen sharing and recording, which can be useful for reviewing documents or explaining complex accounting concepts. All these tools and supplies are investments into your business. They not only make your job easier, but also help present a professional image to your clients. Now that you've got your online setup, let's discuss the importance of finding your niche. Why should you specialize in a specific bookkeeping niche? Let's find out. Specialization is the key to unlocking your full potential in the bookkeeping world. By focusing on a particular field, such as medical, dental and law, real estate, restaurants or construction, you're able to hone your skills and become a true expert in that area. You'll understand the unique challenges and opportunities these industries face and be able to offer tailored solutions. This not only makes you more valuable to your clients, but it also makes you more attractive to those searching for specialized bookkeeping services. Additionally, it can streamline your work, as you'll be dealing with similar financial scenarios and transactions on a regular basis. So don't be a jack of all trades and master of none. Choose a niche, become an expert, and watch your bookkeeping business flourish. With your niche identified, it's time to get into the nitty-gritty, the best software for your virtual bookkeeping business. What software will you need to run your virtual bookkeeping business smoothly? Let's delve into it. In the digital world, there are numerous software options available to streamline your bookkeeping tasks. Firstly, accounting software like QuickBooks or Xero is a must-have. They offer a wide range of features including invoicing, payroll, and expense tracking, which can make your life easier. Next, you might want to consider a document management software such as Evernote or Google Drive. These platforms allow you to store, organize, and share documents with your clients securely. Evernote brings your notes and schedule together to remind you of everything you need to accomplish. Lastly, a project management tool like Trello or Asana can help you organize your tasks and deadlines. With the right tools at your disposal, your business is ready to thrive. But remember, accurate record keeping is key. Accurate record keeping is crucial in bookkeeping. Let's discuss why. It's the backbone of your business. And here's the thing, without it, you're flying blind. The heart of bookkeeping revolves around maintaining detailed, precise financial records. It's not just about tracking your revenue and expenses, it's about understanding your business's financial health, making informed decisions, and meeting your legal obligations. So, how do you ensure accuracy? First, consistency is key. Establish a routine to update your records daily, weekly, or monthly. This keeps you on top of your finances and helps you spot potential issues early on. Second, use reliable accounting software. It'll automate most of your bookkeeping tasks, reduce errors, and save you precious time. Lastly, don't hesitate to seek help. A mentor or a professional bookkeeper can guide you through the process and help you avoid common pitfalls. You're all set with the basics of setting up your business. Now let's discuss how to get it in front of potential clients. You've set up your business, but how do you get clients? Let's discuss. Marketing is a crucial part of any business, and your bookkeeping enterprise is no exception. Start by identifying your target audience. Are they small businesses, large corporations, or individuals? This will guide your marketing strategies. Don't underestimate the power of online marketing. Social media platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram are great places to build your brand presence and attract clients. Consider creating valuable content that showcases your expertise and knowledge in bookkeeping. This could be blog posts, infographics, or even videos. Another effective strategy is networking. Attend industry events, join local business groups, or participate in online forums. Word of mouth is still a powerful tool, so don't shy away from asking satisfied clients for referrals. You are now ready to launch a successful virtual bookkeeping business. Remember to subscribe and like the channel and encourage your peers to continue watching the Make Money Online series. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more strategies on making money online.